Hi, welcome to the Error Workshop. Today we're going to show you how to clear a jam from the P22 plier stapler. First you need to remove the pusher by pushing in to unlock and sliding it out of the tool. Next you will need to remove the channel from the tool. Press the tab and push the channel towards the front of the tool. Pull out the entire channel. Then clear the jam with a screwdriver. Now reinsert the channel and line up the tabs. Make sure the knife assembly is in the up position and lines up with this tab in the front of the tool. Insert a full strip of staples onto the guide rail, sliding them all the way to the front of the tool. Reinsert the pusher until it locks in place. And now you can get back to work.